What is up, fellas? We are back, and today we're doing some trout fishing. So I usually like to fish a little later in the year. It's about September 30th right now, and I usually like to do after the first week of August, or October, I mean. Usually like to start fishing them when the water temps start to gradually, cool down to an extent. I don't know if there's a fall turnover in creeks or anything, but we're going to see today if the trout are sluggish. And if they aren't, we're going to catch a lot of them. Let's get at it. Not gonna lie, I already see there's like 5 or 6 fish down there. That's crazy. A couple of them. No follows on that cast. We're just getting to the spot here. And yeah, there's already a lot of fish over here. I don't know what it is, but there's a couple of them stacked up in this hole right here. There's one nice size, but I don't know. Doesn't seem like I want to bite here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. No, I missed him. There we go. Oh, it's a fall fish. That's what I've been seeing. These guys with the forked tails. I was wondering. Had a feeling they weren't trout. Look at the hook pops right out of them. There's still a fall fish there. Thanks, buddy. There's gotta be a trout in this hole. Looks too good. But yeah, these fall fish, they usually like to hang out in the more slack water. So that explains why I got them right there. The water is also very low. It's usually a little bit higher than this. We just haven't had the rain that we usually get. So this is probably what's turning the fish off. Oh, there's a nice trout. Yeah, there's 2 trout just swimming there. One's got like a messed up tail, but they seem to be all over the place. I don't know why they aren't biting. Probably just aren't a fan of the spinner right now. Coming up on our first real deep hole here. Usually is a fish hanging out, so I'm optimistic about this spot. Take a few casts in, see what we get. So, just popping in here quick. It was not a good day for me. That's overall what it was. I did catch fish, but I got that one lure snagged probably 4 times, and it was really frustrating, and I'm not going to show it in the video, although it is technically a part of the fishing experience. But, I'm just going to spare you guys the small little details like that, but overall it was a pretty good day. So I'm just going to cut to the part where you actually start catching fish, but just know I was very frustrated going through this. Oh, we got one. Yes. Woo! Look at this guy. There we go. Beautiful little brown here. That's what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful little brown trout there. We're gonna let him go. Thanks, buddy. Nice. Took a little while, but we did it. Yeah, that took like 40 minutes to get that one fish. Through a couple of mishaps, I kept getting snagged and having to retie, but in the end, we caught that fish. And as I'm kneeling down there, my waders just got leaked into, which sucks. So I don't know if there's a leak there or... Yeah, that doesn't feel good. Well, anyway, that was good. Got our first fish for today. We're gonna cast in this hole again and see if there's another fish down here. But yeah, that was good. Little brownie to start out. Awesome. That fish ate right away too. Right when I cast it onto the hole, the fish bit. So I must have been right on him. Oh, there we are. We got a bite. There we are. Nice little guy. That's a little better. Looks like another brown trout. He is on a dead run. Come here, buddy. Pulling him away. There we go. Awesome. That's a beautiful little brown right there. Beautiful little trout right there. Let's let him go. Thanks, buddy. Ooh, yeah. Every time I fish here, I always get something out of this hole. There's something about it. It's pretty good. It's got the wideness, or the width. That's the better word for it. It's got the depth, and it's got a good water flow in there. And yeah, there always is a fish hanging out there. We're gonna try casting in a couple more times, see if we get anything out of there. If not, we're gonna keep moving on. Now this is gonna be a hard cast, but if I can get in here, there's probably gonna be a fish. Right under these branches. Yeah, see, that's gonna be tough. Perfect. Oh, yep. What the hell? My bail was it didn't close, and I had a fish there. You gotta be shitting me. Here we go. There we go. Oh, I missed him. What the hell? What's going on with this thing? Dude, I'm telling you, the freaking line on this reel is just screwing me over right now. I don't know what it is, but I'm definitely gonna look at it after, because this is not right. If I can cast in there again, I might be able to get him. But he's definitely going to be wary. He got hooked twice already. Damn it. Had him twice. Yeah, I don't know if he's going to bite again. Damn it. Yeah, so this hole here is usually a lot deeper. It's probably down at least a foot right now, because even you see where the rocks are on the other side there, on the left side, it's usually over those rocks where it's still a little wet. So yeah, this is down a ton, but usually there's a lot of fish in here, so maybe we'll get one. Oh, just had a fish. Yep. Oh, I missed him again. Came for it twice. Little guy in there. I don't think he's got any size to him, but it's good to at least catch him. He keeps coming for it. That's his third hit right there, but he's just not getting the hook, so it's got to be a small fish. Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Third brownie of the day, buddy. That's all we getting today is the brownies. Let's go. Awesome. Sweet little guy right there. Beautiful little fish there. Thanks, buddy. You know what I'm going. Awesome. Number 3 for the day. So I remember this section right here, particularly all of it. It was like maybe a 75-foot stretch, 3 different little pockets in there, and there was like 4 fish hanging out. I think I caught 2 out of the 3 or something like that, but either way, they were hungry and they were aggressive. But again, that was when the water was much higher than it is now. This is very abnormal. Not for this time of year technically, but just for like fishing in general. You know, you want a little bit higher water, faster current when you're going for these trout. It just seems to turn them on more. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this guy's a fighter. And he's popping off right there. There we go. Oh yeah. That was a good fight though, I'll tell you that. Wow. Now that's what you call a wild brownie right there. They have established a wild population in there. That is not a stock fish. Wow, that was a good fight, man. Unfortunately, we lost them. I did kind of horse them in, but as you can see, the current is moving along pretty quick. Oh well. Got a little bit more of this creek to go. A couple little deep spots. We should be able to land another fish by the end of it. So if you see my other videos at this spot, you can tell how low it is just based on the waterfall here. It's normally all the way across, spewing rain at you. This is freaking low.